Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing clutter and committing to constraints. Choose one master slide, a 16:9 layout, and 2 complementary fonts. Once done, set base styles, header, body, caption, and lock positions in the slide master so alignment stays consistent. Make sure to import logos and assets at final resolution and define color swatches for repeatable branding. This early discipline saves time, reduces visual noise, and means every new slide follows the same rules without manual tweaking. You now focus on arranging information so viewers scan it instantly. Create a clear hierarchy with large headings, concise subheads, and 3 to 5 bullet lines per panel. Once done, apply a grid and consistent 0:5:1, 0-inch spacing to keep elements aligned across slides. Make sure to swap long paragraphs for icons, charts, or a single strong image. Visuals explain relationships faster than words. Also, use color and weight to draw attention to the one key idea on the slide. You finish by polishing details. Proofread every caption, confirm color contrast for readability, and run the slide sorter to check narrative flow. Once done, export a PDF and test slides on the exact display or device you'll use. Make sure fonts are embedded and images remain sharp. If something goes wrong, first revert to the slide master or swap suspected corrupted assets. This single troubleshooting step quickly restores consistent formatting without rebuilding slides from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.